Welcome guys, so today I am with the MOTOROLA Razr 2022 and I want to show you a few camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so first of all, when you open the camera application, we will be in the photo mode. And right here, I'm gonna show you how you can change quickly the brightness level. So when you click on the screen once, you will find the slider and you can move it up and down to decrease or increase brightness level. You can make it automatically you can make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. Twice. Very simple, as you can see. Next, you can tap right here of your preview, and as you can see, you can change color and the temperature on the photo mode. We can find here default filters. And the cyberpunk looks interesting. You can also find the classic like the black and white, and you can also reset to the default parameter by tapping right here. Next, when you are on the photo mode, you can switch between the macro lens, ultra-wide lens and the main wide lens. You can also zoom in and zoom out. When you click and hold already selected preset, you will unlock this zoom feature, and as you can see, we can zoom in to the 8 times. Wait a minute, let me find the subject. Okay, that's the maximum zoom on this phone, and that's, by the way, the quality. Looks not bad actually. You can also make it by pinching the screen with your 2 fingers. So we can simply slide like that. So we can decide the way of the zooming in and out. Next, when you go right here, you can change the aspect ratio. You can go, for example, for the full screen, but you have to remember that when you change it, you are also going to change the photo quality. So the best way is also to stay with the 3:4. When you tap right here, you can enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. When you click on the shutter with this option activate, there will be small countdown. Right here, you can also enable or disable the flashlight. Next, we can smoothly move for the settings. Here, we can go for the quick view display. You can get the external preview. For sure, we are talking about this screen. So, if you want to get the preview of the screen, you can just turn it on right here. Next, we can go for the AI settings. For example, we can use the gesture selfie. So, when you show the palm of your hand with this option enable, let me just show you. So, let's switch to the front camera. And when you show the palm of your hand, wait a minute. Okay, it is not actually taking the photo, but it's supposed to. Let me just put it the screen like that, maybe. Maybe it's all about the brightness. Okay, let's try to reset the camera application and let's try to open it one more time. Let's go for the selfie camera. Okay, looks like this feature is not working properly. Let's go another time for the AI settings. Okay, as you can see, the option is enable, but it is not working. That's weird. Okay, never mind. You can tell me in the comment if this option is working for you. When you go for the photo modes, we can, for example, switch from the recommended 8 megapixel mode, the high resolution. So basically you will get more details while taking the photos with your front selfie camera. Right here you can also enable or disable the camera selfie mirror effect. So the photo will be flipped. It will be not looks like on the preview when you enable this option. And here we can also enable the camera watermark. So when you enable the timestamp, on the right bottom corner of your photo, we will find the date and the time. You can also enable the device watermark, so you will know that the photo was taken from this MOTOROLA Razr 2022. And you can add your own signature. And that's, by the way, how it looks when you take photo. When you go for the videos, you can be sure that the stabilization is enabled, and you can also enable the HDR 10 plus. So when we will be on the main lens, it will be set to the 4K 30 frames per second, and the video looks just a little bit better. You can also go for the capture options. So as you can see, we can use the quick capture, so we can twist our wrist twice quickly to open the selfie camera. Okay, we are going to find this option, but we can also go open the rear camera. Let's try to make it. Okay, as you can see, it's working. One more time. Let's close it. Take a look. Yeah, the motions in the phone are really good, working smooth. Another option right here adds the tap anywhere to capture. So basically, when you click on the screen once, the photo will be taken, and it works very fast, as you can see. Okay, let's go back for this option right here. You can here enable or disable the shutter sound, and you can also enable the assistive grid lines and the camera leveler. So as you can see, that's the leveler, and there are the grid lines, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. Okay, and that's all from the settings. Right now we can try to go for the more modes. They appear right here, and as you can see, we can, for example, use the dual capture mode. This option allows us to take photos and record the videos from the selfie and the rear camera at the same time. We can also switch position of the preview and change the theme, so we can get small picture in the picture right here. Okay, we can also go back and try to use the ultra resolution mode. So let's make the small comparison. We can focus, for example, on this button. That looks totally normal. Let's see if we can spot any difference with the ultra resolution mode and with the standard mode. We're gonna catch focus on the same. So the photo was taken with normal mode. Looks not bad. We can spot some details, some pieces of the dust. Let's go for this ultra resolution mode. And yeah, I guess we can spot more details a little bit. Let's try to open the more modes for another time. Right here we can find the spot color option for the photos and the video, and let me just show you how it works. So you have to basically use this point. We can use it on our plant, and as you can see right now, we can remove all the colors from the photo and stay only with the green one. Just take a look. It works the same for the video and the photos. Okay, and I'm gonna show you also the last option that will be probably useful for you. If you want to get better quality of your selfies, you can just close the phone. Let me just clean, because there's a lot of fingerprints. Okay, and when you turn on this screen, unlock the phone, and then simply open the camera by swiping on the left. As you can see, you can take photos with your main camera, like the selfie, and here we can find the preview. There's also other options like the gesture selfie. Let's try if it works for this screen. Okay, it's still not working. That's weird. Maybe they're gonna fix it, but in my Motorola it's not working, unfortunately. So there's few parameters. There's automatic smile capture, that's the flashlight, shutter delay. We can also change the aspect ratio, as you can see. That's the HDR, mirror effect, and the face beautify mode. Right here we can also record the video with this screen. We can use the spot color and other modes. And yeah, that's all for this video. That's all my tips and tricks for the camera in the Motorola Razr 2022. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.